Everybody, it's Topwater Johnny, and in this bass fishing video, we're going to be fishing with the Deps Kromushi, a small 1-inch, tiny little plastic weedless crawler bait. So let's see if this thing can make it happen. Let's go. Whoa, there we go. Yeah! Woo, holy cow, folks. Topwater Johnny here, man. This is what we came here for. Look at that. Get back here. Look at that right there. That's the kind of beast that we came here for. There we go. Woo! And that one hooked. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. Want to welcome you to the next video here. Please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. If you want to be eligible for my big time lure giveaway, click on the box here. There's a link in there. You click on that link, it'll take you over. You can watch the video where all the lure giveaway is being presented. Please be sure to like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and that will allow you to be registered for the lure giveaway. So go over to the box, click in there, click on that link, watch that video, give it a like, a comment. Be sure to share if you want to with others, and that will allow you to be eligible for the lure giveaway. Now, in this video, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be fishing with the Deps Kromushi here. This is a small little plastic weedless lure that's a crawler. Now, I've had this lure for a while, and because of all kinds of iCast and because of other lures that have come up, I have not had a chance to release the footage on this one right here. So what I wanted to do was share with you guys my fishing experience with this little lure here, and so that you could see it in action and you could give me your thoughts. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and start fishing with the Deps Kromushi. All right. There we go. That Kromushi right there. We got this one. Yeah, that Kromushi got this one. All right. Saw that one. There he is, everybody. He took that one down. There's a Kromushi bug, little bass right here. Not a big one, but nonetheless, you want that little insect bug. All right. There we go. The Kromushi. Get about on lead. There we go. There we go. All right. Got the next one here. All right. Right here. They all are in, you can see they all are inhaling there. They love that little insect. Okay, not the biggest, but they are chunky and they wanted that little Kromushi. All right. There we go. Right on the fall. Right on the fall. Right on the fall, everybody. Small one, but they're aggressive. They want that lure. All right. There we go. There we go. Oh! I needed that one. Everybody, Topwater Johnny here. Missed that one on that Kromushi right there, man. I was so on that Deps Kromushi. Missed that one. Fishing with a friend out here, got distracted, lost focus, and missed him, but we'll get him again. So we'll keep on going, see what happens. All right. There we go. There we go. I knew there was one in the grass. There we go. All right. All right. On the Mushi. Deps Mushi. All right, everybody. Yep. That was on the Deps Mushi. Yep. All right, everybody. There we go. On that Deps Mushi. Hey, everybody's Topwater Johnny here. Not the biggest bass in the world, but we got him on that Deps Mushi. So there is no complaints. That little lure is still working out. All right. All right, everybody. Here we go. On that Deps Mushi. Okay. All right, everybody. Here is the Deps Kromushi bug right here, and this actually is a topwater lure right here. As you can see, get you a little closer look here. You can see it has like little insect eyes in the very front of it right here, and it's got these 4 legs, and these 4 legs do a lot of kicking on top of the water here as well. And when we flip it over, look at that right there. This is where you actually put your hook in so that you actually are able to create a weedless presentation of this lure on top. So once this lure is casted out, it actually vibrates and jigs on top of the water, but it also can kick because of these individual legs right here. So this is like a little 2-inch insect bug that the bass should hit. This one right here actually is the Kromushi watermelon blue flake that I've got right here. And once again, you can look at the front here, show you the front of it here. Just got a little bit of a bug look in the front with the eyes right there, and it probably just crawls just like that across the top of the water. So there you go, everybody. There is your closer look of the Deps Kromushi insect bug. All right. Okay, everybody, and I hope you enjoyed that little bit of fishing and that lure review. Now, one of the things that I wanted to share with you guys in that video there was I had an opportunity. I was out fishing. There were people around, and that's another lesson about when you're going fishing. You have to keep your mind focused on what you're actually doing, and it's okay to fish with other people. That's not a problem at all. But the issue is always to stay focused on your line, focused on what you're doing, so that you don't have those type of misses. See, in the video, you saw me miss a really nice bass, and then I followed up a little bit later the next day and recovered and got a decent bass. But I really missed the bigger one, and that's because I had lost focus because people were talking and I could hear people around me. So that's one lesson about when you're out fishing is maintain your focus, especially when you're fishing top water. Now, in this video, we were fishing with the Deps Kromushi here, and as I said before, this lure, just to give you the specs as you already know here, those specs are 1.3 inches, and actually it comes in a package of 5. So, and the price is $10.99. Now, when I got mine, these were being sold at the Hookup Tackle. So the hookuptackle.com is where you can get them, but also there might be other places that you can get them as well that sell Deps lures. So I just wanted to kind of let you know where I got them from as well here. Now, what I want to do is talk about this lure just a little bit more in depth here. As you can see, it's got a slit area right here on the belly of it, which allows for it to create a very weedless presentation here. But I want to also share with you about being creative with these type of lures here. Because this is a soft plastic that has a lot of action and movement, there are things that you could do with this if you wanted to. Like, for example, if you wanted to, you could put this on a Ned rig. If you're somewhere up north, you might want to put this on a Ned rig when you're fishing for smallies. Put this on here like that. You got a lot of action, a lot of movement. and this might really trigger a bite. You could also just fish it down here in the southern areas or out west as a Ned rig right here. Next, another way to fish it, you could, of course, fish it with a straight shank right here. It could be fished with a straight shank where the hook is actually exposed as well, where the hook is actually exposed. So you can do a straight shank here. Also, something I always do is I love eagle claws. So I will hook it onto a eagle claw and have it as actually the hook will be exposed, but I'll have that weed guard there to kind of protect the hook from getting snagged up. Also, of course, you can do the wide gap hooks here with it as well. And then finally, this is the most creative way that I've fished this lure here. And I didn't get enough time with this lure, so I'm going to keep on fishing with it. And I hope to bring you some more footage of it later. But if you look real close here, this is actually a very solid piece of rubber right here. So what I'm planning to do is do a line through this lure right here, and then put on there, as you can see right here, a little bitty treble hook right here. So in the end, it'll be a line through, and the treble hook will be coming out the back of it right here, so that I can actually do it this way as well. So it'll be, let me see if I can get this right. Let's put, my fingers are in the way of the camera here. It's going to be like that. So there you go. You'll see it. It'll be actually lined through, and the treble hook will be in the back of it right there. So there's multiple ways to actually fish this little bitty lure right here, and I'm really excited to keep playing around with it. Like I said before, there are so many lures. There was iCast. There were a lot of stuff that was going on, and this lure kind of got forgotten about. But I just think that it's a great lure, especially when you're fishing and there's insects and bugs on your ponds or your lakes. There's lots of laydowns, there's lots of wood, there's lots of grass. This kind of lure goes through all of that, and it crawls, and it creates a lot of little disturbance on top. So it's great in the morning, great in the evening, and if there's overhangs in the summertime and it's hanging up, and you have overhangs where there's shadowed areas, this lure would work great there as well. So like I said before, really impressed with it. Like I said, the price is $10.99 for a packet of it. They're made by Deps. Like I said before, the hookup tackle has them, but that's Deps, so I think Deps is a little bit of everywhere. So maybe if you can't get it from the hookup tackle, then go online and Google Deps, and maybe you can get it from there. But it was just definitely a fun lure to fish, and so yeah, I was just like really excited about it, and I enjoyed it here. I really wanted to get a big fish on it, and that's why I said I'm going to go back out again in the future, and I'm going to keep on fishing it, because I really think that this lure right here, you know, will really catch a nice bass on it if it's put in the right situation and the right time. So once again, I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. As I said before, we're going to allow maybe a week to a week and a half before I announce the winner of the Big Time Lure giveaway. But if you have not registered for it, here's what I need you to do. In my description box, the link to the video where I talk about all the lures and everything is in my description box. Go over to the description box, click on that link, watch that video there. Please be sure to like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment on that video, and then that will allow you to be registered. So you got to leave a comment, because that allows you to be registered for the contest when I select the winner. So I just want to make sure that everybody understands how that works. I wanted you guys to know, though, I really appreciate your support. I really appreciate you guys getting involved with this giveaway. I mean, I did one earlier, but it didn't do as well as this one is. This is incredible. You guys have really stepped up. So I truly appreciate each and every one of you guys. Please leave a comment below here on this video about this lure here. What's your thoughts about it? Would you fish it? I always appreciate your comments. I always give you guys a reply back. So I just want to thank each and every one of you guys for being a part of the channel. Please be sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and always remember that phrase. Keep your line tight, because when they hit those topwater lures, especially this Deps Kromushi, one day, it's going to be a big bite. I'll see you in the next video.